You ever walk into a room and feel like the air is heavy? Not from dust, but from too much stuff. Too many things. Too many memories you don't even love anymore. The Amish don't live like that. Their homes breathe. Their spaces talk softly. There's peace in their walls and reason in their rhythm. Today, we're uncovering the quiet magic behind their way of living. 10 Amish decluttering secrets that will instantly simplify your home. If your space feels loud, this might just be the silence you've been searching for. 1. The power of living with purpose. There's a quiet power in Amish homes, a stillness that speaks without saying a word. They don't chase perfection. They live with purpose. Every object, every chair, every plate has a reason to exist. Nothing just sits there collecting dust. I remember once visiting an Amish farmhouse. Everything felt calm, balanced, alive. The woman there told me something simple. If a thing don't serve the heart or the hand, it don't belong here. That hit hard. We keep too much. We hold on because we fear losing. But they let go because they trust enough. Try this, look around your home. Ask one question. Does this help my life or hold a hostage? The moment you start answering honestly, clutter begins to fade like fog in the morning light. It's not about living with less. It's about living with what truly lives with you. 2. One room, one purpose. The Amish don't mix things up. Their kitchen is for food. Their bedrooms are for rest. Simple, right? But most of us live like chaos is normal. A laptop on the dining table, clothes on the couch. The living room becomes a storage unit for everything that has no home. The Amish don't let that happen. Each space breathes its own identity. Each corner tells a story of order. When you give a room its purpose, it starts giving you peace in return. I once tried it myself, cleared the desk from my dining area. The whole house felt lighter. The meal felt calmer. That's the thing. You can't build calm in chaos. You create it by dividing your world gently. One room, one soul, one purpose. That's how they live. That's how peace stays. 3. Let go of excess, keep the quality. There's a strange silence in Amish furniture. It doesn't shout, it stands. Strong, simple, real. The Amish don't fill their homes with more. They fill them with better. Their tables are handmade, their tools built to last. They would rather wait months for a craftsman's bench than buy 10 factory-made, ones that break in a year. That's not poverty. That's wisdom. When you declutter, don't just throw things away. Upgrade your connection with what remains. Keep what feels whole. Touch it. Feel its worth. Does it add to your life, or does it just sit there taking space? Once you start asking that, you'll see quality has a sound, a weight, a meaning. Fewer things, stronger energy. That's the Amish secret most people miss. 4. Simplicity in storage. You won't find secret compartments in an Amish home. No hidden junk behind closet doors. No just-in-case pile under the bed. They don't believe in hiding clutter. They believe in not having it. The truth is, hidden mess is still mess. It still drains you, even if your guests can't see it. Amish storage is plain, open, humble. Wooden shelves, neatly folded linens. Just enough, never too much. I once opened a cabinet in an Amish home. Everything was visible. Clear jars, stacked dishes, nothing extra. It felt freeing. Try it once. Open your closet and take out what hasn't been touched in 6 months. Don't store it. Release it. Storage shouldn't be a graveyard for forgotten things. It should be a stage for what truly serve your life. 5. The daily reset ritual. The Amish don't let clutter creep. They kill it before it grows. Every evening, after dinner, there's a quiet rhythm. Cleaning, folding, sweeping. No rush, no resentment. Just calm routine. It's their way of saying thank you to the home that shelters them. I watched an Amish mother wipe her kitchen table in silence once. Her hands moved slow, steady, almost prayer-like. That's when I understood cleanliness isn't just about hygiene. It's about respect. It's about resetting your energy. You could try it too. Before bed, walk through your space. Put every item back where it belongs. It takes minutes, but it changes mornings. When you wake up, you'll feel clarity instead of clutter. The Amish don't declutter once a year. They do it every day, softly like breathing. 6. Handmade over mass-produced. There's soul in things made by hand. You can feel it when you touch them. A quilt stitched with patience. A chair carved by steady hands. The Amish understand that connection. They don't fill their homes with things bought out of boredom. They choose slow, intentional, meaningful. Every object tells a story of effort, of craft, of heart. When you fill your space with handmade items, clutter starts to lose its grip. Because handmade things demand care. You don't just toss them aside, you honor them. Try replacing one mass-made thing in your home with something crafted. Watch how it changes the energy. Suddenly your home doesn't feel like a warehouse. It feels like a story. 7. The rhythm of reuse. Amish homes rarely waste. A cracked bowl might hold seeds next spring. A torn dress becomes a quilt patch. Nothing leaves until its last breath is given. They live by reuse, not replacement. I once saw a man sanding down an old wooden door. Still got good wood in it, he said. And he smiled. That's their way. Nothing good goes ignored. When you adopt that rhythm, your mindset shifts. You stop buying what you don't need. You start fixing what you already have. It's humbling. It's grounding. Reuse teaches gratitude, not just for the item, but for your own patience. In a world where everything is disposable, their quiet reuse feels almost rebellious. And maybe that's exactly what we need. 8. The beauty of bare spaces. You ever walk into a room and just breathe easier? That's what an Amish home feels like. Clean air, clear lines, no noise from things that don't belong. Bare doesn't mean empty. It means peaceful. It means intentional. They understand that every blank space is an invitation for calm. But we fear emptiness. We rush to fill it with decor, gadgets, distractions. The Amish leave room for silence, for rest, for thought. Try clearing one shelf completely. Leave it untouched. See how your eyes rest there every time you walk by. That's beauty, not from more things, but from less noise. 9. Living by the seasons. The Amish live in rhythm with nature. Their homes breathe with the seasons. Summer brings light fabrics and open windows. Winter brings wool blankets and warmth. They don't decorate for trends. They adjust for life. There's no pile of forgotten seasonal decor buried in boxes. Just fluid change. Natural. Rhythmic. It's a lesson in letting go. You don't need to own everything all the time. Rotate your world. Store away what no longer fits this season of your life. Let your home evolve gently. The Amish do it without thinking. They follow the land, the air, the light. Maybe that's why their spaces never feel heavy. They live by seasons, not by possessions. 10. Gratitude before possession. This one is deep. The Amish give thanks before they bring something new home. They ask, do I truly need this? Will this serve my family? That small pause makes all the difference. Gratitude filters out greed. It turns impulse into intention. We, on the other hand, buy to fill emotions. They buy to serve needs. When you begin to practice that, clutter can't enter your life. Because gratitude is the gatekeeper. It keeps the noise out. Every object becomes meaningful. Every possession earned. Try it for a week before buying anything. Whisper thank you for what you already have. You'll see, the need fades. The peace stays. That's not just decluttering. That's spiritual alignment. So maybe it's not about throwing everything away. Maybe it's about keeping what speaks to your soul. The Amish don't chase minimalism. They live it gently without even calling it that. They build homes that serve the heart, not the ego. Maybe we can too. Start small. One drawer, one shelf, one habit, and soon your space will start breathing again. Because a simple home isn't empty, it's alive in a quieter way. Thanks for watching, friends. If you felt that calm tug in your chest while listening, that's your sign. It's time to simplify, time to breathe, time to live lighter. This is Rustic Pantry, where we turn simple living into a quiet art. Stay grounded, stay gentle, and remember, peace begins right where you stand.